In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fonts to WordPress with Elementor. By the end, your site will be using your exact brand typefaces inside Elementor's typography controls with no code needed. First, sign into your WordPress dashboard with an account that has administrator access. This is important because installing plugins and managing fonts requires the right permissions. Once you're in, head to the Plugins area from the left-hand menu. This is where we'll add the tool that lets WordPress recognize and load your custom font files. Choose Add New Plugin, then use the search bar to look for a free solution. Two reliable options are Custom Fonts and Use Any Font. Both allow you to upload .tf or .tf files and make them available across your site. For today, select Use Any Font vertical bar, Custom Font Uploader in the results. Click Install, and when that finishes, click Activate. If you're prompted for simple setup screens, proceed with the defaults unless you have a specific reason to change them. With the plugin active, go to the Appearance section in your dashboard. Select Fonts to open your site's font library. This is where you'll manage all custom typefaces. Choose Upload to add your files. Most commonly, you'll be working with .ttf or .tf formats. Make sure you have the rights to use the font on your website and try to include the specific styles you actually need, like regular, bold, and italic, to keep your site lightweight. Give each upload a clear, recognizable name so you can find it later in design menus. After selecting your files, confirm the upload and save your changes. Once saved, your new fonts will automatically become available inside Elementor. The next time you open a page in the Elementor editor and adjust typography for a heading, text, or button, you'll find your uploaded fonts listed alongside the built-in choices. Pick your custom font, set the weight and style as needed, and you'll see the change instantly on the canvas. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If a font doesn't appear right away, refresh the Elementor editor or clear any caching plugins and your browser cache. For best performance, only upload the variants you plan to use and compress images and other assets to balance page weight. And finally, always verify licensing for any font you upload to ensure it's permitted for web use. That's it. You've installed a plugin, uploaded your .tf or .otf files, saved them, and now they show up natively in Elementor's typography settings. Enjoy designing with your brand's exact look.